I am Velmani, Deputy Director of Agriculture Department, Government of Puducherry. Today, I usually walk 6 kilometers a day, non-stop every day. And I have seen this Vidya Niketan Higher Secondary School teachers and students participating in Save the Nature for our future. So it is a fantastic awareness program for all students, especially children who could learn to have a clean nature so that our generations are without any pollution. So only if we can save the nature, we can save this world. This is the motto of today's program by Vidya Niketan Higher Secondary School.